أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أبي القاسم محمد اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وآله الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين أما بعد فقد قال الله تعالى في قرآن المجيد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله مع الصابرين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. In the name of Almighty Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful, the Commander of the Faithful Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam says that victory is by determination, कामयाबी मौका इरादों से होती है. And heavenly lady Fatima Zahra Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad says that if you want that your life span may increase, then have cordial and philarmy with your relationship. Cordial relationship, philarmy with your relatives. And if you want that you may be away from the wrath of God, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि खुदा के गजब से दूर रहे, to look at your parents with mercy, with respect and with full respect. And if you want that your prayers be accepted, then first pray for others. Congratulations to all my viewers on the happy occasion of Wiladat of Heavenly Lady Fatima Zahra. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. So, congratulations to all of you on the Wiladat Day, plus congratulations to all of you who are getting married on the Wiladat Day or around the Wiladat Day. And today my topic is how to pass a happy married life, inshallah. So, normally in my lectures, either I grant 5 keys, Panjatan Pak, or 7 keys, 7 sky, 7 tawaf, 7 days in a week, or 12 keys. So let me start with the 5 keys, powerful keys for happy married life. Number A for Allah. So you have a noble intention that I am going to marry only and only for the sake and pleasure of Almighty Allah, and with all the thanks and appreciation to Almighty Allah that Allah granted me a life partner for my comfort and for my fulfillment of my sexual desires. So I am really grateful to Almighty Allah for only and only for the sake of pleasure of Almighty Allah. Because in the Holy Quran, Almighty Allah says that we have created a mate for you so that you can have a comfort. Salawat, Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. So the first key is A for Allah. Under the umbrella of Allah, under the umbrella of Almighty Allah and the pleasure of Almighty Allah, you are now developing, okay, in your happy married life. Number 2 is A for acceptance. Accept your life partner with all the plus point and minus point, because nobody is perfect. आपको फरिश्ता नहीं मिलेंगे, आपको एंजल्स नहीं मिलेंगे, nobody is perfect. So accept your life partner with all plus point and all minus point, because now you are going to be one. Nobody is perfect. And here also you have to be grateful to Almighty Allah with tears in eyes that my weaknesses are covered by my wife, and wife weaknesses are covered by my husband. Okay? So number 1 is A for Allah, number 2 is A for acceptance, and number 3 is A for affection, love. Wherever you are listening me, kindly repeat me. I love you, I like you, I am going to sacrifice for you. You have to repeat this. I love you, I like you, I am going to sacrifice for you. I am not telling you a filmy dialogue. Our Nabi Kareem Muhammad Mustafa Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad says that one who say to his life partner that I love you, this never go away from the heart of your life partner. So, in the life partner, husband should be active. Ladies are mostly shy, but they will also say, both should say that I love you. Now, by the grace of Allah, I have 5 children. I am the grandfather of 17 and a great grandfather of 2. But still I try at the age of 75 years. We have passed 50 years of life, but still I try to say I love you. So I tell you, however you are married, this I love you should not be at the initial time of marriage or before the marriage or immediately after the marriage, but throughout the years to come, throughout the life you come, and till at the end of your life you can say to your wife honestly, sincerely that I love you only for the sake of umbrella of Almighty Allah, pleasure. So this is third. So A for Allah, and then A for acceptance and A for affection and love. Then number 4, A for assistance. When Holy Prophet Muhammad Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad came to meet his daughter next day of the marriage and asked Hazrat Ali, how you find my daughter? Hazrat Ali replied that कि इबादत में बेहतरीन मददगार, I found your daughter a good assistant, an excellent assistant in ibadat. So you both have to assist each other in ibadat. If you want that your kids may become namaz sab guzar, tahajjud guzar, so you husband and wife should also offer namaz sab. If you want that your kids may love Holy Quran and may pass time with Holy Quran, then you as a husband and wife also should pass time with Holy Quran. If you want that your kids may not blame with each other and always appreciate each other, so you should also appreciate each other and do not blame each other and do not have a quarrel going home. Home is made of wood, home is made of iron, home is made of earth, but the real home is made of love and affection in the family life, right? And then what I can say about loss, the loss is A for always pass time in harmony, in love, in avoiding quarrel and helping each other pass and be a comfort for each other, because and the main thing is A for adab, respect your parents, respect your in-laws, respect your father-in-law, respect your mother-in-law, because now they have become your father and mother, and in this way you will become the best and a model husband and wife, and you will not only be successful in this temporary world, but you will have an excellent place in the Alam-e Barzakh. No, you will have an excellent place in Alam-e Arwah. You will be successful in Alam-e Barzakh also, surely. And then on the day of judgment, you will have the top class. You will be granted paradise. And the paradise has 100 layers of paradise. And the top is Jannatul Firdaus. And in Jannatul Firdaus is having the top class, where Ulul Pegambar, Ulma and Shoda are there, and the Holy Prophet Muhammad, and Heavenly Lady Fatimatul Zahra, and the commander of the faithful Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib salam, and the Lord of Paradise, Imam Hassan and Imam Hussain are there. So they will be so happy to welcome to you, that you have come back to me with a happy married life. Marriage is the excellent institution liked by Almighty Allah, but the modern media are spoiling our youth married lives. So you have to struggle, and from today on your marriage day or after, you should have a strong intention that inshallah, I will pass a happy married life. Now everybody make your hand like this. Everybody repeat with me. Count your blessing. Thank Almighty Allah for my two perfect eyes, ears, hands, legs, and the most precious gift, the love, Muhammad Ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Due to which you are the richest person of the world. May I tell you, may I prove that you are the richest person of the world. If your husband is not earning properly, do not think that you are poor. You are richest person of the world due to the law of Muhammad Ali Muhammad. The world has made a list of 10 richest person of the world. If I bring all the wealth of the 10 people and I give in your heart and your legs, that enjoy throughout your generation upon generation, and I want to take away from your heart, Ya Allah, I want to take from your heart, Ya Hussein, Ya Fatima, Ya Ali. Are you ready? No, that means you are more richer than the richest person of the world. So believe it. So if your husband is not properly earning, nothing to worry about. You are the richest person of the world. You should always ask. You should also ask that I should not get more money, but the money with barakah. I should get not more time, but time with barakah. How much time the Heavenly Lady Fatimatul Zahra got to train the children? Very little time, but one became the Fateh Karbala, Imam Hussain alayhi salam, and one became the Fateh of Sham, Bibi Fatima. So may Almighty Allah bless you. Now repeat with me, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, everybody do like this at home, wherever you listen me. 1, 2, 3, yes, I can do it and I will do it. I will sacrifice and pass a very excellent happy married life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Ya Allah, Ya Muhammad, Ya Ali, Ya Fatima, Ya Hassan, Ya Hussein. इस विलादत बीबी सैयदा का दिन मैं अहद करता हूँ, मैं डिटर्मिनेशन करता हूँ कि मैं अपनी हैप्पी मैरिड लाइफ के लिए सेक्रीफाइस दूंगा और ऐसी हैप्पी मैरिड लाइफ बनाऊंगा कि पंजतन पाक मुझसे हैप्पी हो जाए. यकदो से मामी तवानीम सलवात बराए समा Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. May God bless you. Always have a happy married life.